All right. So currently on GJ structure, we want to start off looking at structure. I would say it's currently bullish, and this was the last higher low structure wise right here that we've had that was legit. And I don't really consider this a legit structure point just because price didn't actually make it to 38.2. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pull this to the top. Now, in this case, I say this is a way better opportunity to take some buys. And what my indication was that we probably would go up is, well, one, the level, and I think that you can see this area on was it the daily time frame? Yeah, but it's so fucking far. It's okay. All the way back here, we can see that price acted as that very nice and precise level of resistance before, and then again sooner, this area acted as support. So I was just looking on the 30-minute to see, what could be the T, and it was the wicks. It was the fact that there was some sideways movement, right? Kind of just moved sideways, gave me this nice long wick, and then gave me this engulfing. That really was all of my signal to enter. Now, ideally, you would want to wait for 2 bullish candles to close above that resistance level, so you can say, okay, it's probably going to really go up. Or you can take the 15-minute, for example, and say these are the 2 candles that made this officially go bullish or whatever. But I was really just looking at how the 30-minute candles were closing, but I'm currently in profit. And let's see. I think I'm just gonna take profit at this first level. And then the second level I can take profit at will be that 27%. Because I think price is trending right now, which is nice. We haven't had a trending market on GJ in a while. Just don't trick me. No games. Now for gold. No, this is not gold. For AUDUSD, I said I wasn't gonna trade it unless it broke out of consolidation, but here we are being nasty. On the daily time frame, the level that it's currently in has acted as support a lot in the past and in the recent past, but more specifically on the 4-hour, you can see that so this is point A and point B of the fib that we're currently in, but I'm trying to see if there could be a sub fib that could prove that this is a 100% level of, let me see. This could have been previous highs that were broken, and then you could have been like point A, point B, 38.2, and point A, point B. And because we haven't made a higher high ever since then, this is still technically the 100%. I think that's what I was going for. But whatever. Overall, I do think that we're still bullish on the trend if you look high enough, right? I still see this as breaking highs, but whatever. We'll see what happens. My signal for entry was, what was it? Oh, it was definitely the fact that we had this higher low forming, right? And that's, I really feel like looking at higher lows in an uptrend as an indication that price is going to continue rather than a break of resistance can help so much when it comes to risk to reward, because then your stop is not as far, or your entry is not as far away from the liquidity area. So you can still have a safe entry level and still get in nice and early, but off of some good legit confirmation. I wouldn't go off of looking for higher lows on the 15-minute just because I feel like there's too many. Would just be too many options. Or depends. This one actually, it has some clarity. The first higher lows were formed here, but this was during London. I was not awake. I was in a slumber. So we'll see. Where does price keep rejecting from? This was a high, this was a higher low, this was a higher high-ish kind of, and at the same time, we're all testing the same support level. So it could go past this level, but given as though we're in consolidation, I don't know. I'm gonna take profit when I probably see us break support on the 4-hour. I don't know. We'll see. I'll just play that one by ear. And EU, I think I got in. I actually exited out of a good trade yesterday because it came so far and then dipped. And then I saw something and I entered in. So I think my entries are around here, but I have some lower because of entering on the retracements. But I'm in buys for this one too. The current structure, the last level, point A, point B, create a new higher high. So we're still in this fib right here. Right, so, and then I said high, low, and 4-hour being maintained, sideways movement while in bullish structure could be indication of a strong bullish pop coming soon. Maybe Friday. Oh, we actually have news soon for the US dollar. I don't know how intense it's gonna be, but we can see. I don't know what's gonna do. I just know there's gonna be volatility, so we'll see how that plays out. Some good take profits for this could be here. And then -27 as the next one. Okay. So, and oh, like me, that's fine. Well, I had a buy in UJ, but she's not giving. And at the same time, I understand because the dollar is what's causing AU and EU to currently go bullish because it's currently getting weaker. So that's making the Aussie technically strong in the moment and the euro technically strong in the moment compared to the dollar. So I understand why UJ is continuing bearish. I think maybe once we find some support on the dollar, that's probably lower than this, maybe a lower low or something, maybe then the UJ will find actual support and then continue bullish from there. But for now, she is continuing bearish. And the JPY. Yeah, I like to use this as confluence with GJ. But overall, we're very bearish, and we're hitting a PRZ right now for the first time in a while. So we could continue bearish from there, but I would not be surprised if we saw some consolidation first before going bearish. I don't expect it to just being bearish, but hey, who knows what could happen. But yeah, let's see. Let's see what happens next week. Oh, and let's see what how news plays out today.